bucket filled with slime, and there's mystery fidget toys inside. So let's see what we get.
Ooh, let's go. Okay, Mao, it's time to dig for the first one.
Ew, this is so slimy. What is this? Wait, here's one. Oh, a puppy!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, next one.
Let's see. A fidget spinner.
Oh my god.
Okay, next one. Ooh, I love these.
Oh my god.
Okay, next one. Ooh, it's a squig.
What? Okay,
next
Mao.
one. Okay, right here.
What's that?
Ooh, it's a noodle.
My favorite.
Last one. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, it's a squishy.
And we're giving away Poppets to our TikTok followers.
Choosing soon, guys.
Hey, Mao, are you ready for some fidget diving?
What?
Let's go. Okay, Mao, close your eyes. It's time to hide them. First off, fidget spinner. Now, rainbow poppet. Marble mash. Whatever this is called. Okay, ice cream poppet. Another marble mash. Okay, some noodles. Can't forget one of these. Rubber ducky. Some popping tubes. Okay, Mao, are you ready? You have 10 seconds and you get to keep everything you get. Ready, go! Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What did you get?
I got ice cream.
That's it? That's it. That's all you got. Now, pull a string to win a prize.
Okay, I'll do this one. What is it?
Whoa, fidgets! Came out next.
Okay, let's see. Wow!
Whoa! Okay, my last one. Is it gonna be an egg or the new iPhone?
I want the iPhone.
Okay, then pull.
Which one should I pull? This one or this one?
Hurry up! Hurry up!
This one.
Hey, Mao, answer this question right and you win $100 and you get to keep all of my fidgets.
What?
Do
Yeah,
you
let's
want to
go.
play?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Mao, listen closely. Okay. So Mike's mom has 3 kids.
3 kids.
Okay, penny, nickel, and who's the third?
Quarter.
Oh my god, no!
Why?
Oh my god.
This is a quarter, and if you did not know, it's worth 25 cents for your information.
What is that? No, you're wrong. Okay, look, Mao, I'm gonna be nice. I'm gonna say it one more time.
I'm listening.
Okay, so Mike's mom has 3 kids.
3 kids.
Penny, nickel, and who's the third?
Quarter!
No!
Why?
The name's Mike. Mike's mom. It's Mike, Penny, and Nickel.
You're so annoying!
We are so dumb.
Doing first makeup with fidgets. Let's go! Let's start. Ready for? Now contour. Time for some blush. Now eyeshadow. Now lipstick. Oops. And besides that, what do you guys think?
Now spin the wheel and win fidgets. Do you want to play?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. What did you get?
A poppin'!
Okay. Okay, next one.
Okay, let's see what I get.
What is that?
What is it? A noodle!
Ooh. Okay, Mouse, spin again.
Okay. Hopefully I get something good. What is it?
What is that?
A fidget spinner!
Okay,
Hopefully I
Mouse.
get the remote.
Okay, last one.
Hopefully I
Spin.
get the remote. Okay, it's on purple, so this is purple. Nothing!
You got nothing. Emma, what are you doing?
Nothing. Play with my fidgets.
Wait. Well, why do you have so many?
They're not mine. They are for our giveaway with the Learning Express.
Oh my god, you're right.
Yeah. We're giving away a rainbow poppet,
2 mini poppets,
a bunny poppet,
stress balls,
3 marble mesh,
A popping tube.
Wait, there's more. Another popping tube.
These fun zipper bracelets.
Ooh. And much more. Make sure to check out our Instagram for the rules.
We'll be choosing this Friday, so hurry.
Good luck, guys.
This is your sign to freeze your favorite drink inside a pop.
Let's do this.
Orange juice it is.
Let's spray paint and pop it.
Let's go.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This feels so weird. Let's go fidget shopping.
Let's go.
We had to go to our favorite store, Learning Express.
They had all type of fidgets.
Of course, we had to get this glitter stress ball.
Oh my god, I had to get this remote.
Look at all this awesome stuff they have. We couldn't forget one of these. We got a bunny poppet,
2 mini poppets.
2 popping tubes, some squish balls,
Marble mash. Zipper bracelets.
a splat egg, some cute little squishies,
My favorite.
a glitter squish ball, one of these.
And a giant squish ball.
We're giving all that stuff away to 4 of our TikTok followers.
Make sure to check our Instagram for the rules.
Good luck.
Hey Ma, we're doing an early Easter hunt. Are you ready?
Yes, yes.
Okay, Mal, there's a chance you might win some fidgets.
What? No way.
Okay, Mal, pick the first one.
Yellow.
Okay.
Okay, let's see what I got.
Woo!
A poppet.
Hey, Mal! Whoa! Okay, Mal, next one.
Blue. Let's see what I get. Fidget spinner.
Woo! Hey, Mal!
Oh, my favorite.
Okay, pick another egg.
We're doing pink now. Let's see what I get. I got another poppet.
Wow! Here, Mal!
Woo!
Okay, Mal, next one.
Purple. Let's see. What am I gonna get next? A noodle.
Here's your
Oh,
noodle.
I love noodles. Ooh. Make sure to come back for part 2, and we're giving poppets to our TikTok followers. I have this jelly mystery box with fidgets inside, so let's see what we get.
Let's go. Okay, Mal, start digging.
Okay, let's see. What is... A poppet!
Wow! Okay, what's next? What's next? Okay,
Let's
next.
see what's the next one. Oh, a fidget spinner! Oh!
Next.
Okay, let's see. Ooh!
Eee.
Alright, let's see the next one. Ooh, I love these.
Wait, Mal, I think there's some more.
Ooh, what is this? Ooh. Ooh, there's something here. Ooh, a noodle.
Okay, I think there's one more thing.
Ooh, a squig. And we're giving away fidget toys to our TikTok followers.
Hey, Mal, what are you doing?
Nothing, playing with my fidgets.
Okay, if you get this question right, you win $100. Want to play?
Deal.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, what's something that's in front of you but you can't see?
A ghost.
Oh, no. Okay, look, I'm gonna ask you the question one more time. Listen.
Okay.
What's something in front of you that you can't see?
Something in front of me. My nose.
Oh my god. Oh my god, Ma. Okay, let's try. What's something in front of you that you can't see?
In front of me that I can't see. The air. The air.
No, the future.
Fire's so annoying.
Hey, Ma, what are you doing?
Nothing, playing with my fidget.
Oh my god, can you show me your collection?
Sure.
Woo!
First up, we have an ice cream poppet, rainbow poppet, glow in the dark poppet, and unicorn poppet. Next up, we have one of these. I don't know what they're called. Next, we have these marble ones.
Ooh.
I love these. Then we have one of these.
Ooh, that's so cool. My favorite.
Popping tubes. One of these. These are so satisfying. Look. A squid. A giant fidget spinner. some noodles.
That looks like you.
That looks like you. And we're giving some away. Fidget time. Let's go fidget shopping.
Let's go.
We went to Learning Express. We literally had so many poppets. We had to get them all. We also needed to get this giant fidget spinner and this squishy ball. We'll be giving all of these fidget toys away to our followers.